My former dentist retired, but I came to a crossroads with my dental care, and I really wanted implants, so it was time to look for someone, make a decision. I was nervous about starting the whole process, and I had planned on going to a couple of different dentists just to compare, since I didn't have a regular dentist to shoot me in a direction of someone that I should go to. Dr. Koeppel's office was the first appointment that I made. And once I came to Dr. Koeppel's office, that was it. I knew that I found the right place. Everybody treated me so well, and I liked Dr. Koeppel so much. My treatment was fantastic. I wanted a full bottom arch implants, and I started with the oral surgeon, which was absolutely fantastic. Of course, everything was explained to me in the very beginning, what was going to be happening. The oral surgery part of the process was fantastic. I left with a full set of temporary implants that fit me perfectly. The procedure was much easier than I had anticipated. It was just such a breeze. I would tell anyone who's looking for implants and are afraid of the implant experience that Dr. Koeppel is so professional, the high-bridge product is so fantastic that I would just recommend this to anyone. And I could never even explain how happy I am with my outcome with my high-bridge implants.